Zacks Rank Buys, stocks with a short-term buy or strong buy recommendation. Now, here are more Zacks Rank Buys. We're going to look at a couple of more value stocks now with Tracey Ryniec, our value stock strategist here at Zacks.com. And one of them is Cascade Corporation, CASC, the ticker symbol. Mm-hmm. They're a global manufacturer of lift truck attachments. What does that mean?
So when you see a forklift with kind of a weird fork off of it, that's what they make. They don't make the truck part. They make the attachments that go onto various of those kind of forklift trucks. Okay. And things that they pick up the big box and they would be able to flip it into something, anything like that that a lot of big manufacturers would use.
I see.
They make, and they've been making them since 1943. And this company is kind of interesting because I've never covered them before. They're kind of a mystery company.
Yeah.
But their sales are really skyrocketing. They just reported first quarter on June 2nd, so that's not that long ago. Mm-hmm. And they saw sales up 44% in the quarter, so they're not seeing anything really slowing down like we've been hearing. Mm-hmm. And the big thing for them is they're big in North America because that's where they're headquartered. But they've been in Europe for a long time, and the European sales have been real down in the dumps the last couple of years.
Yeah.
But this quarter was their first profitable quarter since 2009. So, and they've said, we like where things are going in Europe, so that's a big boost to their bottom line because they both have North America doing well now, and Europe is starting to come back. So the analysts are really bullish about this company because they beat big in this first quarter, and now they're saying Europe is recovering. So the estimates, as you can see, are really jumping here, big. And that's great for the company like this because not many people are paying attention. The stock price has been kind of vacillating for most of this year, and then it did get a boost off of this earnings report, but it's still really cheap stock. It's still trading only at 10 times because the estimates are really soaring here.
Yeah.
And the story's just really good. They pay a dividend. This is the kind of company I like. They've been around forever. They have good, just a good product that people need. So yeah, it's a good story.
Interesting. And then Bunge Ltd is a value stock you've written about recently, BG, the ticker symbol.
Yes.
They produce bottled food products.
Yeah, they're in the agribusiness, which is, they're on more of the food side, but they kind of cover the whole spectrum from growing it in the ground to putting it on the shelves. So this is a hot area, as we know, because the food is an issue basically around the globe right now.
Yeah.
They're headquartered in North America, but they're big internationally. They have a big production facilities in Brazil. They do a lot of oil seeds in Brazil.
I see.
So yeah, they're across the gamut here. They're actually a Zacks number 3 now. When I wrote about them, they were a Zacks number 2 buy. But the estimate picture looks real good for them still here. The estimates have been trending up gradually. They reported a couple months ago for their first quarter, which was good. They did beat the estimate in that quarter. But the analysts are still pretty bullish on what's going to be happening for them for the rest of this year. The earnings are supposed to grow by about 52% for this year. Next year, they're a little still dubious on what might be happening with food prices and things. Mm-hmm. But for this year, things look pretty good. The stock price is interesting because they've had a big gain off the bottom. And then in June, they really sold off with this recent overall stock market sell-off. So the shares are really cheap here. They're only trading around 11 times. And as I said, the estimates are holding and trending up a little bit here. So if you are looking for an agriculture stock, this could be one you might want to consider.
So even though they're number 3, we shouldn't count them out just yet?
No.
All right. Do you own either one of these two?
I do not.
If you want to check out more stock pick ideas, we have them on our homepage, Zacks.com, upper right-hand corner. Put 4 new ones up there for you daily, one in each of the investing categories that we write about, Tracey's included. With Tracey Ryniec, I'm Terry Ruffalo.